Okay, so today's project is we're going to be replacing the foam surround on this speaker here. It's a 10-inch Fisher speaker. These are the mid drivers here. I happened to buy these at an estate sale and they were all damaged. So I went ahead and I purchased the actual size for the foam surround off of eBay. I think it was about $30 for the foam surround kit, and of course you get the adhesive, the little brush, or you can actually use the tube itself. I'll probably end up using the brush. First of all, we got to take the speakers out, and then we're gonna take off all this foam, old foam, with a blade. Probably gonna have to take this off also to be able to replace the foam. So we'll get to it now. Okay, so we're going to be taking off the mid driver. This is a Fisher 6-inch. We're going to be taking off the foam surround on this one too. We want to completely take off the speaker out of the cabinet, and I'm going to be taking all this crud off. We want to remove the ring first. Try to remove it all intact as much as possible because we'll be putting it back in or back on. Use a little razor blade if it's giving you a little bit of a hassle. Okay. We're going to just take off all this excess stuff all the way around. Just kind of rub it off. See, that one's ready to go. So I'm going to be taking off all this excess foam surround that's old. So there you have it. Just gonna leave these sit. I would leave them sit for at least about a whole 24 hours before I even play them, to make sure that that glue really sticks really good to it. The 10-inch Fisher also would let sit there for another 24 hours before I would actually plug in anything to it. And that's about it. So we used some 3M for the smaller one, and I used some speaker glue that you can actually order off of eBay. And like I said, the foam surround, you can get them off of eBay too. They're pretty cheap. They're between, I would say, $10 to $20 for a set, depending what size you're using. Thanks again for watching.